Good morning, dear student. Now we will discuss about the 4-point starter. Earlier I discussed about 3-point starter. The difference between 3-point starter and 4-point starter is holding coil is connected through the external resistance R. In the case of 4-point starter, now if we are talking about 3-point starter, then the holding coil is connected to the field winding. This may lead to short circuit problem. For this problem can be removed through the holding coil is connected to external resistance R. These are the basic difference between 3-point starter and 4-point starter. And field winding is directly connected to the terminal 1. This is the F and F dash, and armature winding A and A dash, and this is the moving iron, and this is the over release coil, soft iron magnet. This is the spring which apply a force in this direction. These are the contact 1 2 3 4 5, and resistance inserted in two contact 1 and 2 having R4, 2 and 3 having R3, and 3 and 4 having R2, 4 and 5 having R1. When during starting of the motor we move the handle to contact 1, whole external resistance is inserted in series with the armature winding, causes it reduces the starting current, and that reduction of starting current it safe for DC motor starting. And after this handle is moved to contact 2, and R4 is short circuited, and then 3 R4 R3 is short circuited, and after that it moved to 4, 2 3 4 are short circuited, then it moved 5 R1 R2 R3, and R4 is short circuited, and motor is now working at normal supply and normal current, and our handle is moving to contact 5 during when our motor is pick up the full speed. This is the basic concept of the 4-point starter, and I'm again explaining what is the difference between 3-point starter and 4-point starter. In a 3-point starter, the holding coil, this lead is connected to the field winding, while if we are talking about 4-point starter, then holding current outgoing lead connected to external resistance, and field winding is connected to the directly field. This lead is connected to directly field. This is the basic difference between 3-point starter and 4-point starter. And in a 4-point starter, it's not in series with field winding as in case of 3-point starter. Holding current is series with resistance R. The function of resistance R is prevent short circuit DC supply terminal in case of over release operated. And now we will discuss about what is the function of the external resistance R. During the overload condition, over release operate, it prevent to short circuit of the DC supply. This is the basic function of R. This function, this features is not available in 3-point starter. This feature is available in a only 4-point starter. And in a 4-point starter, variation of field current for a speed control does not pull force of SC, and therefore wide range of speed control is possible by the field flux weakening method using a 4-point starter. That means कि in a 4-point starter we have to use speed control by field flux weakening, but if we are talking about 3-point starter, we have we don't we are not using such a such a control method for speed control of DC motor. Thank you very much.